Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. In today's video we're doing another review for Backyard Blasters. We bought this also on Amazon. It has a blazer and foam dart gun. It has a pullback action, which is very cool. And yeah, I like testing out their products because obviously the excitement and pretty cool. So when some people come over, we can have a nerf battle or whatever. So yeah, the box, pretty good. There's Backyard Blasters logo, some more instructions, warnings, hazards. One of the main warnings right here is do not point or modify the darts in any way. So let's get into the box. So I do have 5 already opened these, but there is 6 in here. I lost 1 in the making of trying to test out the toy gun, but that's okay. I could always order more. Foam darts. They're very inexpensive, which is very nice. I like how Backyard Blasters has some pretty good priced items in their shop. Very good. Really like it. So if you're looking for a toy gun or a present for your son or daughter or anyone in that case, I highly recommend Backyard Blasters. Anything in their shop is very good. You're about to see why. So here it is. So here's the toy gun, and it's a nice gold and black. The trigger's gold as well. Has orange barrel right there. It has a removable laser, which is very cool, very nice, very sturdy as well. The laser does work. I just gotta pull this tab right here. Hold up. There we go, and it is working. So you just put it right here. Boom. You have a little laser. It's very cool. The iron sights as well, just in case for more accuracy. Very cool. This is probably the most comfortable toy gun I've ever used, which is very nice. And it's an overall great product. I really like it. I highly recommend you guys to buy it. It comes with a nice little targeting practice little thing here. It's really cool. I really like it. 10 out of 10 product. It's a very short review, but it's very good. I like that it comes with 6 foam darts instead of you know how Nerf does like 12, but it's okay because these are suction cup ones and it's kind of hard to get them, and these are very inexpensive, so you can replace them and get more. So I hope you guys didn't like this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace out.